Get VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find display and brightness. Let's stop. Then we have to find this option, screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom, the longest, which is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. It will be immediately marked. And after getting back, you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.